Hello and welcome to Setting Up Calendar Plus Part 2, Desktop Application. In this video, we will demonstrate how to install Calendar Plus using the Nioxus desktop application. First, we will import the template database into the Nioxus desktop application. To do this, open the Nioxus desktop application, navigate to My Databases on the far left, and click the Import Archive button. Locate and select the template database file named calendarplustemplate.ninox and click Open. In the next pop-up, make sure Local is selected and click Import Database. Next, we will import the tables from the template database into your database. Select your team in the navigation bar and click on the database where you would like to install Calendar Plus. Click on Import Data and select Nioxus. Select Calendar Plus Template and click Next. Ensure that all three of the tables have a check in the Data Model column and that the target is New Table. Click Import, then Import Now. You will now see the three tables appear in your database. Now navigate back to the Calendar Plus Template database. Click on the Calendar Plus Entries table, then Edit Fields. Click on the Trigger After Update function and copy the script to your clipboard. Go back to your database, into the Calendar Plus Entries table, click Edit Fields, Trigger After Update, and paste the code. Click OK, then Save Changes. Now we will insert your database token to connect the calendar to your database. Copy the database token corresponding to your database to your clipboard. Go to your database, enter Edit Mode, and click on the Calendar Plus table. Click on Edit Fields, select the Calendar Plus field, and click on the Formula function. Replace Insert Token Here with your database token. Click OK 3 times, then exit Edit Mode. You should now see the calendar application appear. Repeat steps 2 and 3 for any additional databases in your team where you would like Calendar Plus. Your calendar is now set up and ready to use. Please watch Part 3 to learn how to customize your calendar to suit your needs.